Yes, traders, how are you? I'm happy to have you back in my channel. Yeah, it has been a long time. Hello traders, you are highly welcome in my channel. It has been a long time, but I'm back. Yeah, today we shall see one of the trade analysis that I had last week, how simple, easy and secure it was. Yeah, actually in trading there are a lot of things that can happen: frustration, disappointment, and many more. Trading can be easy, but also can be very dangerous, depending on who you are. If you are somebody who has suffered a lot in life, you can easily make it in trading because suffering makes you strong. Yeah, it is very true. Suffering can make you very strong and untouchable mentally, physically, and also psychologically. Therefore, when life has beaten you left, right, and center, then trading, even if it beats you, you can't feel it because you have already gone through fire in life. Yeah. But before I go into the charts to actually show you how we can analyze, this is what I would like to tell you to motivate you, to inform you that trading is dangerous to someone who has never been exposed in difficult times. Yeah, especially if you have just jumped into trading without having clear knowledge of what trading is, clear knowledge of how to analyze the market, do the risk management, and so on. It is so tough. It requires someone who has gone through a lot in life in general. But if you are a soft person in nature who has never seen difficult time, and you have gone through mentorship, through proper training, you might not face the difficulties in trading as much as someone who has never had a mentor, and as much as someone who has never had tough life in general. Yeah, still you'll experience it, but it will be a little softer for you because you have seen trading after being prepared. Yeah, so trading is only for the die hard. Die hard. Yeah, so never ever fear trading, because in life there's nothing easy. Yeah, nothing easy. Everything is hard, everything is tough. Therefore, give your life in forex market in case you are someone who really want to make it big in life. I know it's not easy, but it's also possible. Get a mentor and nail the market and download your money. Yeah, therefore let us jump into the market and we see actually what I did this week in the market. Here I was doing nice 100. I started from 1 hour. As you can see there, I was able to mark this level. Yeah, here, and also I marked this level, and also I marked this level here. What was the reason for marking this level? I marked this level to see where the price will be able to bounce, because I knew that when the price moved from here, yeah, it moves as it is moving here, it might reach this level and then bounce back, or it might come and passes this level, reaches here and then bounce back. Yeah, or it might come up this level and then bounce back. But here we saw that the price came and then bounced on the first level, not the second or not even the third level. Yeah, that was my anticipation. But then in 1 hour you could see that the price here moved uptrend, then it ranged in between, then in that ranging, that's where the price caught this first level here and then it went up. Let us see on lower time frame. On lower time frame you can see it clearly actually what happened here. Yeah, This is actually where I marked from. Then let us now focus here. Why did the market actually come back at this level? At this level here, the price ranged, as I'm meaning here, the price range there, that one is in a lower time frame. But then the price came back and retested that same particular area. And then on retesting, you could see that there was a double bottom formed here. As I can mark it for you. Yeah. For me, actually, the reason why I entered in that first level was because of that double bottom. And then when we see on 5 minutes, this is where our double bottom is. Yeah, it was formed here, just like the way you see it. It was so simple and easy. I just waited for the price to form this double bottom very well, came and broke this structure here. This is where I entered, but as soon as I entered, it just started to range immediately, and then on ranging, it just sparked up, and I took that trade on 5 minutes. Just simple, that is how it was, and I banged my profit. Yeah, in case you like, subscribe, okay, and then share. But it kind of behaved, okay, it kind of misbehaved here. Let me zoom for you. As you can see, this ranging was really long. It could have easily sparked down and took my stop loss, but I decided to went up, and then it hit my take profit in the midst of sparking up. Yeah, it was just like that. I will see you in the next one, my fellow traders. Have a nice day.